Blackberry stock short squeeze update. Okay guys, so here we are with another Blackberry video. So unfortunately, Blackberry's volume is way down along with AMC. So if we take a look here, yesterday just 100 million shares traded, okay? So way down from the earlier high of around 500 million shares traded a couple days ago. But the good news is the overall trend is still up. So in this video, guys, I'm going to quickly give you an update on the short interest, what I'm personally doing, and a couple of things to look forward for the rest of the week. So first, let's take a look at those short numbers, okay? So as we can see here, the short interest is 10% of the float, and there's still 38 million shares on loan. So, you know, looking at Blackberry right now, it appears like a lot of people have kind of just cycled out of this stock and moved on to, I remember yesterday, I think Geo stock was up big. And it looks like all of these stocks across the board have really cooled off, except for Clove, which is up big. So Clove was down huge. And we're going to talk about that one in another video. But first off, the main reason is look at this RSI, guys. So, you know, when the RSI gets really, really hot like this, it usually cools off. So now we're cooling off, and we're coming down to another base. So once again, with these stocks, we are simply, now obviously there could be an argument for a long-term hold on Blackberry, okay? You know, they're working with the EV industry. They have a lot of big companies on with their software and things like that. But really, once the shorts cover on this stock, I'll probably be looking elsewhere because you can probably buy this stock again cheaper. But the good news is that we're still way above the 20-day moving average of $10.60. So a lot of support there. And when this stock crossed over its 20-day moving average, that was a great signal to buy right here. So now we're still good. If you guys want to know exactly how I feel, what I'm personally doing, I'm still holding on to my Blackberry stock. Okay, I sold some options and I'm going to be holding them because I'm still waiting for that short interest to creep down more and more. So we'll see what happens, guys. Obviously most of these stocks were down, so it wasn't like it was just Blackberry that had a bad day. All of the meme stocks were down in general. So like I said, guys, let's take a look at the longer term trend. So as we can see here on the chart, we can see that we've basically doubled. So we were up 50% if you bought in around May 24th or so. In just a couple of weeks, you're doubling your investment. Now, I am still down in this trade, okay? My average purchase price was around $17. So I'm down a bit, and I've sold some options to basically lower my cost per share. So like I said, I'm down here. I'm still holding on. You know, I'm not really worried about the price right now because I'm still waiting for the shorts to cover their shares. So what we're basically looking for is we're looking for the RSI to basically cool off a bit. And once the RSI cools off a bit, I really think that we're going to have another leg up. So we'll really look to see where this is. Now, once again, guys, this is a swing trade with the potential, so some long-term holding potential. So like I said, guys, I'll let you guys know what I'm personally doing. We'll see. So far I'm down a little bit in this trade, not too much, but if this trade goes against me too much, I may think about getting out of it. So here are a couple of support levels, the key support levels that I'm looking at. So really we're looking at a really big support level of around $13.75. So for me, I think if the stock breaks down below this, I could think about exiting the trade and taking some losses. I haven't really made up my mind. Actually, I'm probably playing this by day. I do see some potential. Clove is up in the green, so maybe some of these stocks swing back in the green after kind of a cool off on Wednesday. So I'm trying not to panic here. I'm trying to keep emotions out of it and just remember that the shorts haven't covered the shares and that the squeeze can still be on. So that's it until about now, guys. I would say, like I said, if you're down too much and you're thinking about selling, you know, there's nothing wrong with trimming down some of your position. If you're up big, okay, if you bought it around $7 and you're thinking about selling, nothing wrong with taking some profits too. Like I said, one of the things is make sure you're not putting too much money into these stocks, okay, with swing trades and momentum trades. You want to basically take your quick profits and things like that. You don't want to get greedy and potentially blow up your account by putting too much money in and things like that. So that's just my personal strategy. Like I said, guys, do your own due diligence. This is not financial advice. This is exactly what I'm doing. So I'm still hodling my Blackberry stock. Maybe if we sit around these levels closing the week, I'll probably sell some more call options next week and add to my position. But so far so good, guys. I'm really waiting for that next big run up. And like I said, guys, it's just early June. We're not done. The summer is just getting started. I really think a lot of these meme stocks are going to pop off, and maybe Blackberry breaks through this resistance, and then I'll be able to sell well into maybe the 20s, 30s, or above. So that's hopefully my goal. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please smash the like button, hit the red subscribe button to receive more video updates from me. So that's until next time, guys. Take care.